And welcome to my channel. I'm Lois and I've just got a couple of palettes really that I want to show you that I bought over the last few days, and the first one is Meteor Storm by Barry M. I'm loving this palette. It's got a mix of metallic and duochrome shades, and I'll just swatch them for you. So this is duochrome. Just put them on there and show you. They're really pigmented, but I will say the duochromes, you do need to use your finger to apply them because they're like more of a glitter. So here they are. Here's the shades on the, I don't know if you can see it very well, but here's the shades on the Barry M palette. And I'm using one of the duochromes. I've got them on my eyelids. I'm quite impressed with it, but yeah, I mean the duochromes I would use that. There'd be more of a an eyeshadow topper. They have that kind of Urban Decay Moon Dust vibe about them, and I'd say there are two duochromes, these, maybe three with this one, but they're great. It's a nice palette. It's Barry M. You can get that from Superdrug or Boots, anywhere that sells Barry M. This palette is $9.99. Next, I found Model's Own in tkmaxx. I went to tkmaxx and I found a Model's Own eyeshadow palette, and it's called Celestial. It has got a unicorn on it, but it's got the price. I paid $5.99 for it, but I went on the Model's Own website and it is $14.99. These palettes are, and inside they're ever so cute. They look like this inside. Nice sturdy case. It's got the shades that are inside. It's magnetic closure, and there's the shades and the colours. Oh, you can see where again. Look, here's the colours. It's got a mirror, and also it comes with a dual-ended brush, but I've put that down somewhere and can't find it. But yeah, tkmaxx £5.99 at the moment. I'll just do a couple of quick swatches for you. So I'll swatch the white, which is called Purity. I love how the names are actually on there. The white's Purity, so to wipe them off, the old colours. The white is called Purity. Shows up like that. Then you have a colour called Magical. That's Magical. And then they have a nice goldy colour called Allure, which is that one. A bronzy colour called Charming. This is that one. As you can see, they are all shimmers except for 1 and 2, except for this blue and this purple. That one's called Doves and that one's called Define. And I'll just swatch them out. You see, that's your matte shade, and it's there. I think I've caught a bit of a tan today, so you might struggle to see the shades a bit. Well, that's one of the matte tones, and the other matte tone, which is called Doves, is there. The shades are basically Enchanted, and it is unicorny colours, and I've actually used it as a base underneath the duochrome shade from the Barry M palette. So that's that one. And then I got another Model Zone palette from tkmaxx for $5.99. Comes in this box, looks like this, and it's called Sweet Dreams. And again is a white palette. Sweet Dreams. Colours again underneath. Magnetic opening, and looks like this, and the brush is actually in there so you can actually see the brush this time. It's a dual ended brush, a fluffy side and a small end, and there's the colours, nice and bright like sweets. And I love the names. You've got Applejack, I'll take the brush out so I can point, Applejack, Candy, Bonbon, Banana Split, Ice Cream, Big Cherry, Millions, Dolly Mix, Sour Grape and Toffee. I'll just swatch a couple of those for you, try and get the old shadows off. So I'll swatch the mattes first, Applejack and Big Cherry. This has got 4 mattes in this, no hang on, 3 mattes in this palette. The others have got slight metallic shimmer, so you've got that and that. There's 4 mattes. They're the mattes. I'll just swatch Big Apple. That's there. Big Cherry, which is another matte, which is that one. Just swatch that. That's there. And I will now swatch for your metallic shades. I'm going to swatch this one, Candy. Oh, Candy. There. I haven't done. I'm not going to swatch all the shades because I am going to do an eyeshadow look, I think, with this palette. So I might do it tomorrow and come back and show you how it applies and whatnot. But yeah, they look like this. They're ever so cute, and they're like, you can just easily pop them into your makeup bag. There is only, how much is there? 0.7 grams of colour in each pan, so they're only small. But then I don't think you need a lot of eyeshadow in each pan. You don't need loads, because when are you ever going to use it all? But I think it's a lovely palette. It's sturdy. I love the way it looks. I love the shape of it. Sleek design. Easy to fit in your makeup bag. Get one. Find it. Look out for this packaging. tkmaxx. Or you can go onto the website, modelsownit.com. I'll leave a link in the description down below so you can check them out. They do loads. There's a metallic palette that I noticed there. It's got some lovely metallic shades in there. But I didn't actually see, I don't think I saw this palette on the site, but the Sweet Dreams was on there. But it's worth taking a look at. I've never really looked into Model Zone before, and they do some nice things. They do some really, really nice things. So it's definitely worth rolling on down to the website and having a look, or going down to tkmaxx and if you can pick up any bargains. If you see any other palettes of that range, let me know. Have a look at this one, Meteor Storm, and I will be doing a look with this as well in the near future, but I'm quite pleased with this. But yeah, I'd say apply the shades with your finger or a flat eyeshadow brush, or even wet the brush and apply, and you'll get the most shimmer from the shades. They are really nice. So yeah, that's me. I was just showing you my eyeshadow palettes and what I found and what I bought. So yeah, check them out, and I will be doing looks with those palettes. I'm all about bargain beauty. I like to find things for good prices, good affordable prices, and I will show you, and if you're interested, buy them. if they're any good, but I am going to do some tutorials and reviews on these palettes. But I am impressed with the Meteor Storm palette by Barry M, and I am impressed with the Model's Own palettes as well. I've seen their nail polishes but never knew that they did any other makeup, but now I do. So yeah, I'm impressed. I am impressed. The colours are quite pale, so on the Model's Own palette, I suppose it's probably because it's unicorn and sweets, but you know, whatever. So yeah, go out and check them out. I'll leave a link to the site below. I'll leave a link to the Superdrug site as well. I'll also put down again where I actually bought the Model's Own palettes from, which was tkmaxx, and I bought the Meteor Storm from the Superdrug store. So that's me checking out. See you later. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye.